I talked to my wife for a little bit, like 1:30, 2 a.m. She was still up. But now I'm just all alone on the road. You know what? Truck driving job. It's not a like 9 to 5 or 7 to 3:30, 4 o'clock. I start my work at every single hour on the clock. It's like 2 a.m., 1 p.m., midnight, 4 p.m., 6, 7, 9, whatever, you name it. I start work at that time. It's a truck driving job. So it's not like, we have to, please the customer. In my case, that's a Toyota. So Penske is working for Toyota all the time. So 100% Toyota. So you have to deliver the parts. See, those guys are sleeping. Can't drive. Yeah, so it's like we have to do what we have to do. But this week it's a short week because Friday it's a Good Friday, so I'm not working. I was supposed to have a Monday off, but they called me if I wanted to do Cambridge. Just not Cambridge, Stratford. Just rapid home. So I went there, I just, delivered the parts. I came back. They wanted me to do some more work, but I said no. I want to go home, I just want to enjoy the time. So I actually went to bed. I was kind of tired. Like last week I was working 2 nights. And this morning I got up, I did this, so you know what, at 5:30 I went to bed, and I thought, well, you know what, if I'm gonna wake up at 9, I'll be beat, and I'll be driving through the whole night. But you know what, surprise, surprise, I slept till midnight, so like 6.5 hours. I don't know what the case is gonna be tonight, but I hope it's gonna be okay. So yeah. Other than that, I'm bored. Nothing to do. I wish I could call you guys. I don't know you. So, yeah. Anyway, that's my thing tonight. So I'm driving. I'm gonna drive. I should be at the yard in about, I don't know, hour and a half. Drop in hook, and I have to do that again because I'm doing doubles now. So it takes me around 10 hours, 10.5 hours to do those doubles. So that's my shift. I'm starting at 1 a.m. So by around, I don't know, 11 a.m. I should be very close to the yard. So hopefully by noon I'll be home. My wife's not gonna be there because